Hey, welcome back to the garage. Yeah, it's cold out here today, boy. So, one of the issues we have, seam welded tube. So inside it's got a step, all right? So it doesn't let this go in. See, it gets stuck, all right? So we went in with a die grinder, and that's how we got it to go in that first inch and a half. But we had to get a tool that would go in farther. So let me get you that tool. Let's see how it goes. It's brand new. Are we building a $200 rack or under? Well, I guess we're probably under $300, but about a $100 tool. But hey, you collect tools as you go in life, and you got them. I got belt sander. Belt sander's going to allow me to go a long way in here to sand that ridge down. All right. So we're going to see how that works to sand it down. Brand new tool. Needs a little oil first. If there's oil in this can, we'll see. You can see how much this goes in now. Going in about that far. Oh, a little farther. Check out this compressor. Oh, look at that. Still got a ways to go, but look how nice that is. Almost in the middle. All the way past. Alright, so that's really nice. See how far she goes in? It's really nice. And now we're going to go around the other side. Oh, look at that. Then it goes all the way through now. Huh? Oh, look at that. Go all the way through. That's pretty good. All the way through. Whee! All right. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Don't miss it. All right. We drilled our holes at 5/8, and you can see our pin doesn't quite go through. So we got to open those up a little. So going to use this approach. Die grinder. And a little bit more. That's good. That one's a little tight yet. I'm not the best welder with stick, but hey, that'll work, all right. Nice and rounded off, no sharp edges. Yeehaw. All right, we can see again. So yeah, this turned out pretty good. It's still a little warm. Let's see if our other part fits in good. Go out and buy another pin. Although I think when we're on the RV, these will be all bolts, but for pinning and what have you. So these should fit in like this. Oh yeah, it still slides in. It still goes through halfway decent. Yeah, see. Well, that goes that way. That's interesting. Yeah, that goes in good. Goes in good. So it looks like this still works good. That's a good thing. Let's go get a regular hitch and see how that fits in there. Well, that works great, that side. Works great, that side. Looks like I make them tighter than they do, so the factory ones drop right in. Mine's real snug, so hey, I guess we're good. Don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. We'll probably post this as phase 1, and then phase 2 will be building the part when we get on the RV. Then we're going to paint this a light color, so if any welds or if anything starts to crack, you see it. So, don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. See you soon in the next video. Don't miss it!